Um, okay, this is looking really good. The only thing I might do differently on this is I thought the amount of squashed looked a bit too extreme for the kind of speed it's coming down. Like if it was coming much further or much faster, I would do that amount of squash. But with this relatively small bounce, I would just tone that down a bit. But other than that, it looks like you got everything right. Um, and realistic is looking really good as well. Um, yeah, it'd be interesting to see the reference you're using. The one thing I'm finding a little less convincing here is that second bounce. If we look at that in Maya, might look at from the. Let's just show the grid. Where's the? It just feels. I feel like either there should be too little bounce. It suddenly goes a very kind of long distance forward. Now, if there's enough spin on this, see, well, I guess a couple things because it. If we look at where'd you put the animation on this? On the placement thing? Normally it goes on the move, but it's fine. Um, yeah, you can see that it starts slow and then speeds up more. So, couple things on that. First of all, at the very least, I'd have this one, uh, linear, and then but you can see how it speeds up there. So, if it's going to suddenly speed up on a bounce, when that happens is if there's a lot of spin on the ball. So uh, what you'd want to show is it's spinning fast here, and the spin then gets translated into forward momentum, which would justify this speeding up here. However, it doesn't have a lot of spin on it, so either you would increase the amount of spin between here and here to justify that it speeds up there, or um, you could make it not speed up there. So I might do something like this, like take those out, and then it just gradually slows down. I'm just going to hide these controls because they're distracting. And yeah, and it just that second bounce just feels a bit sort of soft to me. So it just seems kind of slow. So what I would say is let's speed it up. Just holding down shift and moving that. I'll just move this over 2 or 3. Um, see, that looks more believable to me. And then what I might do is put another little tiny one where it goes up just a little bit. I have my auto keyframe on there, so that's a keyframe. And then goes back down. So you just get that really quick little one there. You see, it's very subtle. It's almost like a vibration, but it's like that kind of at the end there, but it helps make it more believable. Is there some? But the rolling looks good. Yeah. So anyway, overall I thought it was really good. Great work.